Have you ever had a large download interrupted because your internet disconnected or something else went wrong? Restarting a huge file from the beginning can be frustrating. That's why I want to show UAB Download Manager, a completely free and open source download manager for Windows. In this video, we'll install it, download a big file, and test how well it handles interrupted downloads. So first, let's download AB Download Manager. I'll leave the official link in the video description. Once you're on the website, click on Get App and then download the Windows version. Once the setup file has finished downloading, open it to start the installation. The installation process is straightforward, so you can simply follow the on-screen instructions and keep the default settings. After a few moments, the installation will be complete. Click Finish. AB Download Manager will open automatically for first time. This is what the application looks like. The interface is clean, modern, and easy to understand. From here, you can manage all your downloads in one place and see information. Now, let's actually put it to work. For this video, I'm going to download the Kali Linux ISO file. I'll first go to the official Kali Linux download page and start the download in my browser. Once the download begins, I'll open the browser's download section, stop downloading here, and copy the direct download link. Now, I'll go back to AB Download Manager and click on Add Download. The application can automatically detect the link I copied, or you can manually paste the download link here. Once the link is added, it fetches the information about the file. And first, you'll see the link we added. Then you can check what type of file it is, whether it's a compressed file, a folder, an audio file, or a video. After that, you'll see the location where the file will be saved once the download is complete. If you want to change the save location, simply click on the folder icon and choose a different folder. Next, you'll see the file size. Finally, at the end, you'll see the name of the file, which you can also change if you want. Once everything is set up, simply click the download button and the download will start. Here you can see all the important details, including the file name, file size, download status, current speed, and the estimated time remaining. Now, let's test the app properly. First, I'm going to disconnect the internet while the file is downloading. Now, as you can see, it has stopped downloading. Now I connect it again, and it has again starting downloading. As you can see, the download is currently at around 2%. Next, I'll close the application and leave it for a while. After some time, I'll open it again from the Start menu. And as you can see, the file is still there, and the progress has reached 4%. This means that even if you close the app, your download can continue in the background. Now, let's test another situation. This time, I'll disconnect the internet and close the application at the same time. After that, I'll open the app again and see if we can continue the download from where we left off. And as you can see, our previous progress is still saved. I can simply reconnect to the internet, open the download, and click Resume. And there we go. The download has started again from where it stopped. So, as you can see, everything is working very well, much like IDM or Internet Download Manager, and this works same even when you turn off your PC and open it again. Once your files are downloaded, you can find them in their respective sections. Whether you're downloading pictures, videos, music, documents, or any other type of file, everything is organized inside the app. And as you can see, the download speed is also quite good. And that's it for this video. As you can see, this download manager works really well and gives you many of the same useful features you get with IDM all completely free. So, if you're looking for a free alternative to IDM, this is definitely worth trying. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.